everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily disable the sound effect in the Undawn game. To disable sound effect in Undawn, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and launch open the Undawn game first, and once you're inside the game, go ahead and click on the menu button which appears at the top right corner. Once you're inside this menu button, go ahead and tap on Settings from the bottom right. Inside the Settings menu that appears on the screen, click on the Audio option on the right, and once you're inside this System Audio section, go ahead and look for the Main option. If you want to turn off all of the in-game sounds in the game, simply go ahead and tap on this Main Volume option and switch it off. After you do this, you will not hear any sound effect or music while playing the game. If you want to turn off some of the musics or sound effect in the game, get back to the same audio section and go ahead and increase or decrease the audio section you don't want or you want by sliding this little slider. You can turn them off completely or keep it to some extent so that you can lower the specific sound setting or keep it to your preference. So from here you can go ahead and adjust the system audio while playing the game. So that's it. That's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.